Attention. Studies. Attention. Start with yoga. ठीक है? First of all हम करेंगे mountain pose. Okay? ठीक है. First like this. Then upward your body like this. Hold 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then down. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then triangular asana. Okay? Split your leg. And then 1. Hold. And then this side. Next, tree pose. Okay? पहले right leg balancing pose. Okay? Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Attention. Steady. Attention.
Every night.
School, attention! Standing, attention!
Every life begins with a woman. Women are wonderful, outstanding, adorable, and nice. They are the real architects of society. Let us thank the women today and every day for being such an important part of everyone's life. A hearty and warm morning to all. I am Jamil from class 8, presenting today's morning assembly on the theme Women Empowerment. Dear friends, God is with us always and even in the most difficult of times. He is there to support us and bring us strength for the new day. So let's get ready for the morning prayer. So join your hands and close your eyes. of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to one's country. It's something that can't be explained in words. It's not something, it's everything. Dear friends, it's a bridge connecting a citizen to its motherland. We're proud to be an Indian. Pledge entails the sense of patriotism towards our country. Let us take a go with Yash from class 8.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of it, rich and wide heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in this well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
School, stand at ease.
Is anyone having birthday today? Kindly come over the stage. Newspaper informs us what is happening around us in the panoramic world. So, to revive the happenings of yesterday, here comes Drishti with the international news.
Good morning everyone. Let's look at the major headlines of international news. Colombian coal mine blast kills 11. Search on for survivors. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Purva for the national news.
Good morning everyone. Let's look at the major headlines for national news. Ahead of Rajasthan election, RSS pitches 2 into help the people's problem.
For sports news, I would like to call Kushal.
Good morning everyone. Sports news of the day are Saudi Arabia is predicted to host the FIFA World Cup in 2030 following Qatar. Thank you.
Now, to know what is happening in our school, I would like to call Saurabh.
Good morning everyone. Today's campus news. From 15 March, St. Emma Jaipuriya School Bareilly started its foundation program and its motto is to build literacy and numeracy in children.
Now, to know the weather news, I would like to call Saurabh.
During the last 24 hours, light to moderate rain and thunder showers occurred over Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Thank you.
For Eureka News, I would like to call Drishti.
Good morning everyone. Today's Eureka news is Eureka Forbes Aquaguard. Eureka Forbes hits record high rallies 20% in 3 weeks on healthy outlook. Thank you.
Women are the key to sustainable development and equality of life in the family. She plays the role of wife, leader, administrator, and the manager of family income. And last but not the least, important, the mother. So let us know more about women. Here is a mime act by the students of class 8.